equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of safely extracting the hard drive from your Dell Inspiron laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean workspace. First, power down your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is essential to prevent any accidental power on while you're working on the device. Now, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You will notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Remember, keeping track of your screws is vital to ensure you can reassemble your laptop later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel. You may need to use a plastic spudger to avoid damaging the casing. Take your time with this step to prevent any unnecessary damage. With the back panel removed, you should see the hard drive compartment. The hard drive is typically secured with additional screws. Remove these screws using your screwdriver. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. After removing the screws, carefully slide the hard drive out of its bay. Be cautious not to pull on any attached cables. If you're planning to replace the hard drive, ensure you have the new one ready. It's a good idea to clean the internal components while you have the laptop open. Use compressed air to blow out any dust and debris, ensuring optimal performance. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of travel. Once you have extracted the hard drive, you can either replace it with a new one or store it safely. If you're replacing it, simply reverse the steps. Insert the new hard drive into the bay, secure it with screws, and replace the back panel. Before you finish, ensure all screws are tightened and the back panel is securely in place. If you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to contact us for a detailed estimate. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it, and power on your laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully extracted the hard drive from your Dell Inspiron. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.